Most of the time interviewer asked us that why should we hire you? So as you can see in my video title, I will give some tips and tricks to give answers to this question for freshers as well as experienced. I am assuming that you are applying for the position of data scientist at ABC company. First, we will see the top 5 ways to answer this question if you are a fresher. First example, I am a recent graduate with a degree in computer science and I have gained a strong understanding of data science techniques through coursework and personal projects. I am eager to apply my knowledge to a real-world setting and contribute to your team's success. Second example, I have 6 months of internship experience in XYZ industry and have been using data analysis to make informed decisions in my previous roles. I am excited about the opportunity to bring this experience to your company and use my skills to help you achieve your goals. Third example, I have a strong background in programming languages like Python and R and have completed several projects in relevant areas of data science. I am confident that my technical skills and passion for data science will enable me to make valuable contributions to your team. Fourth example, I am a highly motivated self-starter with a passion for data science. I am excited about the opportunity to work with a team of experts at ABC company and continue to develop my skills in this field. Fifth example, I have an extensive background in the XYZ industry and have been using data to drive business decisions. I am looking forward to bringing my experience to your company and helping you make data-driven decisions. Now let's start part 2 of our today video, how to answer this question if you are experienced. First example, I have 2 years of experience in data science and have a proven track record of delivering successful projects in the ABC industry. I am confident that my experience and skills will enable me to hit the ground running and make valuable contributions to your team. Second example, I have a strong background in programming languages tools that are required for this role and have experience with advanced techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. I am excited about the opportunity to apply my skills to the unique challenges of your company and help you achieve your goals. Third example, I am an experienced data scientist with a deep understanding of the XYZ industry. I have a proven track record of using data to drive business decisions and improve operations. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my experience to your company and help you make data-driven decisions. Fourth example, I have 3 years of experience in data science and have led teams in the past. I am confident in my ability to lead a team and drive projects to successful completion. I am excited about the opportunity to lead and mentor other data scientists at ABC company. Fifth example, I have a diverse background in data science, having worked in multiple industries such as finance, healthcare, business. I have been able to adapt my skills to different contexts, and I am confident in my ability to quickly understand your company's unique challenges and contribute to your team's success.